This equipment is a training platform for the manual air conditioning system of the Toyota Corolla. It consists of the following components: console, evaporator, drive motor, compressor, protective shield, radiator, measurement panel, relay assembly, fuse assembly, a power switch consisting of 380 volts and 220 volts options, control panel, indoor and outdoor thermometers, OBD diagnostic port, heating switch, ignition switch, pressure switch. Next, we will explain the operation steps of the manual air conditioning training platform. Before operating the equipment, we need to conduct a safety check. Check whether the control panel, temperature gauge, OBD diagnostic set, ignition switch, heating switch, and other components are functioning properly. Check whether the evaporator, water pipe, drive motor, compressor, radiator, etc. are installed securely. Inspect the fuse assembly and relay assembly and measure whether the terminals are securely installed. Check if the wire harness here is properly connected. After checking and confirming everything is correct, we can turn on the power. Then turn on the 380 volts power switch. Turn on the 220 volts power switch. Then turn on the ignition switch. The temperature gauge indicator light is on. Check whether the drive motor and compressor are working properly. We turn on the fan switch here and adjust it to the maximum setting. Press the AC switch, the AC indicator light will illuminate and adjust it to the lowest setting. Compressor operation. We can feel a cold wind blowing out, indicating that it is cooling. Then we turn off the AC switch and press the heating switch. We can feel the warm air output. We can also use a multimeter for measurements. Adjust the multimeter to the 20 volts setting. Perform measurements on the measurement panel. Insert the black probe directly into the black terminal. Insert the red probe into the red terminal. The measured voltage is approximately 10 volts. Measure the voltage of the ECU computer in the control panel. Insert the black probe directly into the black terminal. Insert the red probe into the red terminal. The measured voltage is approximately 12 volts. After our practical training is over, please disconnect the fan switch first. Then we will disconnect the ignition switch. Then disconnect the power switches for 380 volts and 220 volts. Finally, check whether the relay and fuse are damaged. If there is any damage, it is necessary to replace the relay or fuse with one of the same specification. The operation demonstration is over.